Good evening, volleyball fans. Masantos Labi at si kayo namin, Pangasinenses. We are now heading to our last game here in the men's division of the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. Volleyball fans, drink your water because our last game is going to be a hot, thrilling last matchup here in the Western Conference. Dahil bago pa mag-umpisa ang ating last game, kitang-kita na natin kung gaano kainit ang mga suporta ng dalawang municipalities from the municipality of Bugallon having 4-1 standing and municipality of Lingayen having 3-2 standings. So for this matchup, we will see kung gaano nga ba naghanda ang dalawang municipality dahil for sure, these two teams are not willing to back down and not willing to go home losing. Kaya volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our page because our last game in the men's division is about to start. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.
Here we are, volleyball fans. The final match of an action-packed day here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center. To everyone who's been with us since the opening games and to those just joining our live coverage, magandang gabi at maraming salamat for spending your day with us here at the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. We have witnessed outstanding performances, thrilling rallies, and incredible displays of determination from our athletes. And now, we are ready for one more exciting battle to cap off today's schedule. Before we get underway, we would like to once again extend our heartfelt gratitude to our beloved Governor Ramon V. Guico III, whose unwavering support for sports continues to provide opportunities for our local athletes to compete, develop their talents, and proudly represent their municipalities. Because of his commitment to sports development, tournaments like this continue to inspire communities and showcase the very best of Pangasinan volleyball. And what a way to close the day. Our final match in the men's division features two teams with plenty to play for. Team Lingayen enters with momentum and looks to strengthen its position in the standings, while Team Bugallon hopes to finish the day on a high note with a much-needed victory. Expect both squads to leave everything on the floor as they battle for every point until the final whistle. I'm Maria Victoria Ferrer together with my partner, Cliff Lagisma. The players are ready, the crowd is energized, and we are all set for one final battle here at the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. Let's send it down to the court for the official team introductions. It's time for the final match of the day. Team Lingayen versus Team Bugallon. First 6 for Team Lingayen, jersey number 3, 20, 11, 9, 1, and 14. First libero, jersey number 12 for Team Bugallon. First 6, jersey number 5, 19, 8, 6, 17, and 16. First libero, jersey number 1. First serve, jersey number 20, Diata Cruz. Serve, Laurente 1-2, andun si Loria. Season to David, soft touch, Laurente to De Guzman, and that is outside. First point, Team Lingayen. Diata Cruz. Received by Lumibaw. Laurente to the middle. And denied by Costujo. Diata Cruz. Lumibaw. Laurente to De Guzman. That is off the block. First point for Team Bugallon. Serving, Laurente. Season is set para kay Costujo. And what a play there for Team Lingayen. Laurente. Overset, and a point for jersey number 9, Manuel. On the service zone, jersey number 3, Season. Laurente to Cervantes, andun si Season. Diata Cruz is set para kay David, and another point for the captain. Serving, Season. Laurente. Combination play. That is outside for Team Bugallon. Serving, Season. Laurente to Cervantes. Good ball. Laurente to Manawat, blocked. De Guzman, Laurente to Cervantes, andun si Diata Cruz. Loria will set it to David, free ball. Lumiba will play setter, Cervantes blocked. Good ball. And that is outside. Another point for Team Lingayen. And early timeout here for Team Bugallon. 6-point lead. Serving. Season. Good serve. Laurente to Cervantes. And good answer for Team Bugallon. After that last timeout.
Serving jersey number 6 for Bugallon. Season. Custodio drop ball. Ooh, hesitation. Yeah, the Cruz was there. Custodio, no look, attack. Custodio on the service deck. 8 serving 2. Lorente to Cervantes. David. Net touch from Igama. Nine serving 2. Custodio. Lorente to the middle. Igama and successful attack.
Season. To David. Too strong. Point for Team Bugallon.
De Guzman in the service deck. Yata Cruz, Season.
To Manuel. Laurente sets it sa open.
Oh,
but
outside.
that is
Oh, but a check
a
ball.
point for Team Bugallon.
And the crowd of Bugallon goes wild.
Four-point lead.
5 serving 9. Good serve from De Guzman. Season, who will he go to? Beata Cruz. No, rejected. Oh no, sorry, Manuel.
Baba sa tatlo. Still serving. Jersey number 8, De Guzman. Received by Labrador. To Quezon. Lumibaw will set it to Aviles. Blocked. And then si Cervantes. Lumibaw to Cervantes. Off speed. Season to Manuel.
And he
he
finds the
gets the
line.
point.
David. Serving. Diretso sa libero, Lorente. Goes to the open and jersey number 9.
Aviles gets the point.
The crowd is wild here.
Serving Cervantes. Season to Manuel. Good ball.
Cervantes saving that one. Diata Cruz flying and scoring.
Serving. Jersey number 9, Manuel. Received by De Guzman to Aviles. But let's wait for the call of our first referee. And the point is awarded to Team Lingayen.
Manuel on the service deck. Lorente to the quick attack.
And
Oh,
net violation
touch.
committed by Team Lingayen. Point for Bugallon.
Gama serving.
Guico Cruz
Oh.
combination play.
Gama couldn't handle that. Change of setters for Team Bugallon. Montserrat coming in, jersey number 12. Aviles.
And with
Cross court.
score for Team Bugallon. Season is a set para kay Guico Cruz.
Scorching hot. Guico Cruz serving straight to the libero. Montserrat. Differential. Successful.
Point for Team Bugallon. Serving jersey number 12. And a point for Custudio. Serving.
Season on the service line.
Received
Good
by
serve.
Aviles.
Montserrat chasing De Guzman.
Noria to Manuel. And check ball.
Check ball for jersey number 6. Manawat.
Still serving jersey number 3. Season.
And
that
it
goes out.
long. Montserrat calling the play for Team Bugallon. Season. To Manuel, and he goes through the block. Igama Cervantes tandem couldn't be more effective with the Manuel attack. Montserrat. Cervantes rejected. Montserrat to the middle. Igama. The power tip from Igama. Bugallon now at 12. De Guzman serving. Guico Cruz receives. Season. David. Oh! Couldn't chase that ball by the leader of Bugallon. David serving. Montserrat to the open off speed. Oh!
Miscommunication kay Season and Quezon. And palitan ng setter dito. Babalik si Laurente. Season sets it to Diata Cruz.
Differential. Diata Cruz staring at the blockers. Manuel on deck to serve.
Manuel. That
Ball
is out.
for Manuel. Five-point lead by Team Lingayen. Season. Quick play for Quezon. And effective on that.
First timeout for Team Bugallon. 20-14, a 6-point lead here by Team Lingayen.
Lomboy in for the serving responsibility.
Lomboy. Laurente to Aviles. Blocked. Costujo. Regalo. Another point for Team Lingayen. This is a 7-point lead now. Still serving, jersey number 4, Lomboy. Received by Lumiba, one hand set to Aviles. And a point for Team Bugallon. David Season chases Manuel. Laurente. De Guzman, ginawa ng paraan. Season, combination play.
Laurente to De Guzman. Andun si David. Custodio. Aviles chases.
Lumibaw. Free ball.
Diata Cruz.
Combination. Dog.
De Guzman.
Good ball.
It's a good ball.
Laurente to De Guzman.
Walang titigil hanggat walang
Too
pito.
wide. No whistle. So tuloy ang laro.
Play must go on until whistle is blown.
Serving, Diata Cruz. Laurente to the middle. Point for Team Bugallon. 16 serving 22. Laurente. And a service ace for jersey number 5.
Serving Laurente. Good serve. Season.
Too
Custodio
low.
nagkabanggaan sila ni David. Middle attack. Manawat is rejected by Custodio.
Balik sa 6-point lead.
Laurente calls for play.
On the service zone, jersey number 3, Season. Laurente to Cervantes. Too wide. And Set point for Team Lingayen.
Set point for Team Lingayen.
Season. Laurente to Manawat.
Manawat stairs
With
Custodio.
a little stare down. Substitution for Team Bugallon. Service specialist. Manawat out, Ravancho in.
Ravancho
Ravancho.
serving.
Received by Diata Cruz. Season. Sinet kay
Custodio.
Custodio.
Just tipping the ball. Oh, it's a
Set
help
point
ball.
saved. Net infraction called on Custodio. Serving 24. Good serve and a service ace
Ace
for
serve by
Ravancho.
Ravancho.
We are not yet done sa ating first set. Ravancho. Received by Data Cruz. Season, ibibigay kay David.
David, drop
ball!
ball.
And a
And
campfire
that
for
point.
Bugallon. First set goes to Team Lingayen.
First set going to Team Lingayen.
Serving, jersey number 19, Aviles. Misreceived, itinaas ni Diata Cruz. Free ball for Team Bugallon. Laurente to De Guzman, swipes it off the blockers. And a point for Team Lingayen. Serving, Season. Too strong for jersey number 3. The first point for Team Bugallon.
Serving Lorente for Team Bugallon. 1-all. Rotation error for Team Lingayen.
Another point for Team Bugallon. Laurente. Season is set kay Manuel. Andun si Aviles. Laurente to De Guzman is blocked. Point for Team Lingayen.
Zone 1 unattended there. The studio.
Cervantes gives a free ball. Season, ibibigay kay
Manuel,
Blocked.
check ball. Diata Cruz.
Manawat. Season back set to David. And point for
The heavy arms of David. Punishing the blockers of Team Bugallon.
Deadlock at 3. And a service ace for the captain, David. Lamang na po ng isa ang Team Lingayen.
Lorente to the opposite and successful. Cervantes with a swipe on the blocker's hands.
Serving De Guzman. Received by David. Season back set to Manuel. And another point for jersey number 9. Received by De Guzman. Laurente is set sa open. Andun si David. Loria. And point for Team Bugallon. Deadlock at 5. On the service zone, jersey number 17, Cervantes, received by Labrador. And acrobatics there for the middle of
The no
Team
look
Lingayen.
attack by Absalon. Very crafty there. Middle blocker from Team Lingayen.
Aviles, drop
Ulog
ball.
by Aviles.
Diata Cruz.
Diata Cruz giving us some rocket there.
Substitution here for Team Bugallon. Makalanda out, Igama in. Absalon received by Lumibaw. Laurente to Aviles. Blocked.
Rejected. Aviles rejected by Season and Custodio.
No coverage there on the part of Team Bugallon.
Lorente.
Cervantes from the
Even
pipe.
Manuel, cross court. Lorente to Aviles. And zone 1. Absalon
Point
unprepared.
for jersey number 19, Aviles. Received by David, Season, running, Costujo.
Igama couldn't handle that attack.
Serving Diata Cruz. Laurente to Manawat. Manuel will play setter here. Aviles, and then si Diata Cruz. Season to David, drop ball. Cervantes sets it to Aviles. Season to Costujo. Long rally, joust. Lumibaw to Aviles, and a point for Team Bugallon.
Aviles straight to the net.
Service error committed by jersey number 19. On the service zone, jersey number 3, Season. Good serve. Laurente, medyo mababa for Manawat. Laurente to De Guzman, pushes that one. Andun si Loria. Season backs it to Manuel. Ginawa ng paraan, but too wide for jersey number 9. Baba sa dalawang kalamangan ng Team Lingayen.
Lorente serving. Diata Cruz receives. Season to Custodio.
What a zero tempo play. And Custudio will serve. But that is straight to the net. Serving, Manawat. Labrador chases that one. Manuel papaluin. Laurente to Cervantes, and that is inside. Baba sa isang kalamangan ng Team Lingayen. Manawat. Received by Diata Cruz. Season to Manuel, and he finds zone 1.
.12 serving 10 after that Manuel down the line hit. David serving.
Over received. And point for Team Lingayen. David, Laurente. They're asking for a check, but no.
Differential play ineffective. David serving, targets the libero, Lorente. De Guzman, nandun si David for the dig. Diata Cruz. Lorente opens up again to De Guzman, rejected. Lorente 4. Cervantes, Diata Cruz. Lorente, De Guzman, still rejected.
And
Intimidated by the Manuel block.
4-point lead here for Team Lingayen. And Bugallon will call for time. Still on the service zone, jersey number 11, David. Laurente at the middle, blocked. Cervantes not over. Substitution here for Team Bugallon. De Guzman out, De La Cruz in.
David serving. Targets the libero Lorente. To De La Cruz. Quick hit.
De La Cruz. Si Labrador to Manuel. That is off the block. Point for Team Lingayen. Double substitution here for Team Lingayen. Manuel out, De La Cruz in. Season out, De Vera in.
Serving jersey number
De La
13.
Cruz.
Lorente inangat kay Aviles. David plays setter. De Vera.
Good ball.
Good ball.
Free ball. De La Cruz to De Vera, but that goes out. They're asking for a check, but no.
Five-point comfortable lead for Team Lingayen.
Servings. Cervantes. De La Cruz is set kay Diata Cruz.
Ball out
But
for
that is
Diata Cruz.
outside. Baba sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Team Lingayen. Cervantes. De La Cruz, one hand set. Andun si Cervantes. To Aviles, good ball. De Vera, Yata Cruz. Good ball. Walang
no whistle.
pito. And point for Team Lingayen. Balik sa 5 ang kanilang kalamangan.
Serving Absalon. Lorente, differential.
Combination
Aviles.
play
Credit
for
that
Team
to him.
Bugallon. Ikama. De La Cruz sets it to De Vera and catches the line.
The cleanest of hits of De Vera that time.
Yata Cruz. Laurente to Manawat.
Manawat stares Custodio again. Welcome back to the Manawat Custodio stare down affair. Good
ball.
Oh!
Lucky point for Team Lingayen. No. But the call ay for Team Bugallon.
That's the correct call because De La Cruz is a back row setter.
De La Cruz to Custodio.
How quick is that hit?
And babalik na po si Manuel and si Season. Quality time for De La Cruz and De Vera.
I am about to say that, partner. They contributed well inside the court. Season serving. Lorente. The open. De La Cruz.
Season to David.
Dog.
Dug by Aviles. Season to Custodio. Masyadong mababa. 4 touches.
That is straight to the net.
Baba sa tatlo. Ang kalamangan ng Team Lingayen. Laurente. Season to Custodio. Pinabawi
Bumawi agad.
Yes.
Pinabawi agad. And he did not fail Season for that.
Substitution here. Custodio out. Lomboy in.
Oh, wow. Buti na lang, nag-time out.
And Bugallon will use their final timeout. You're still watching the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is between Team Bugallon and Team Lingayen. If you've just tuned in sa ating live coverage, nanalo po ng first set ang Team Lingayen and ngayon po lamang po sila ng 4. Lomboy. Laurente to Manawat. Dog.
Manawat,
Manuel
dog.
on a 1-2.
Manawat was dog by the Yata Cruz. Service specialist Lomboy.
That will
Service
sail
out for Lomboy.
Sorry kaagad si Lomboy for that error. Serving jersey number 6, Manawat. David itataas para kay Manuel. Laurente to De La Cruz. Andun si Labrador.
Labrador
Season.
is there.
Yuman-
Oh!
Manuel.
Credit half that point to the liver of Lingayen Labrador.
Serving David. Laurente to De La Cruz. Let us wait for the call. If there's a check. Check ball. And that's the right call.
Absalon claiming the fault.
Yes.
We don't have a green card yet, partner. For fair play. Season chases. Diata Cruz rejected. Labrador. Swipe from Diata Cruz.
Smart play for Diata Cruz for swiping it off the hands of the blockers ng Team Bugallon. And match point for Team Lingayen. Manuel serving for the match. Laurente to Cervantes. Hindi pa raw tapos. Sabi ni Cervantes.
Not yet, says Cervantes.
And he gets to serve. Cervantes.
Season,
To
Absalon.
Finishes
And
the
Absalon
match.
ends the match.
And Lingayen
Congratulations to both teams.
wins this match in 2 straight sets. Congratulations to Team Lingayen.
It was a great way to end our games here in the men's division. Kita naman natin ang effort ng Team Lingayen mula sa kanilang receive, blockings, and also sa kanilang powerful attacks coming from the first up until the second set. While sa Team Bugallon naman, nakita natin na hindi masyado umukay ang kanilang play ng first set, pero nakita natin na binigay nila yung best na sa second set para sana makuha ang panalo. And right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team, Municipality of Lingayen, player number 14, Christian Costudio, having 9 attacks and 3 blocks. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. So, paano may describe yung game ninyo with Team Bugallon ngayong gabi?
Pinaghirapan po namin to sa training, kaya yung eagerness po naming manalo para sa para sa mga nanonood sa amin.
Kita nga namin na all out yung supporters ninyo mula sa first set up until the second set. So sa tingin mo, ano yung pinaka nag-work sa inyo as a team para makuha yung panalo?
Yung tiwala po namin sa isa't isa, yun po yung sandata po namin.
Iba rin kasi talaga kapag meron kayong tiwala sa isa't isa and mas better yun para makapaglaro kayo ng maayos. So sino naman yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan or i-shoutout?
Shoutout po sa family ko po na nakasuporta palagi, and sa family din po ng mga teammates po namin. At shoutout po sa nag-sponsor po namin ng mga pagkain, Kusina Makuli, Genji, Samgipsal, BNT Restaurant, and sa lahat po ng mga nag-sponsor po sa amin. Shoutout din po kay Ma'am Sally Fernando po. Yun lang po.
Sana naman feeling na ikaw ang star of the night. Ano yung feeling na ikaw yung star of the night?
Oh my God, it's very, I don't know, oh my God! Ang saya-saya ko today. Sana ipagpatuloy nila ang ganong magandang gawain nila. Ipagpatuloy nyo. Guling kayo!
Thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning them. Thank you. Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our last game here in the men's division. Nakita naman natin mula sa women's and sa men's division kung paano nila ibigay lahat mula sa first set up until the last set. Kaya naman, thank you very much for all of the volleyball fans, sa ating mga officials, coaches, players, and also sa mga walang sawang sumusuporta sa ating Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Have a great night and Pangasinan, ang galing.